Hello you guys, welcome to another cleaning video. Today I'm doing a kind of like a power hour. I cleaned for a little bit over an hour. I'm probably going to call this video more of a reset because I did get to most of the rooms in my house, especially like the main functioning rooms, and I just kind of reset everything back to factory settings, you know, back to normal, everything put away, pretty cleaned up to prepare for my weekend. So this is a great routine that I like to do at the end of the week and on maybe like a Sunday night or a Monday morning to get myself ready for the weekend and ready for the week ahead. So if you need some cleaning and organizing motivation, keep on watching and let's do this house reset together.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
So I remembered to take some before shots of some of the rooms that I was doing, and my kitchen was looking a little bit rough and the dining room was just a little bit, you know, had a couple random little things in it that needed to be picked up but not really dirty. And same with the living room, just kind of like a couple things here and there but not super dirty. Just, I mean, everyday vacuuming stuff for me. There was crumbs after eating all day, dog hair, of course, from my two dogs. So we are going to get started. I decided to start in the dining room today because it just seemed like less of a job. Some days I like to start in the hardest room to get it over with, and then other days I like to start in the easier rooms, basically to build the motivation up and get the let out basically and start getting a move on before I get to that big room, because you know, on those days sometimes the really messy rooms are very daunting. So starting on the easier rooms just gets that motivation going, kind of gets the cleaning muscles working, and it makes the big room later, or the dirtiest room later, seem not so bad.
Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now it feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking.
So I'm just going around the table, putting my camera stuff and random, you know, my cake stand and blah, 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 putting that stuff where it belongs and wiping down my decorative plates, wiping down the table. These plates are purely decorative. That's why I'm wiping them with a cleaner on a cleaning cloth, because we don't eat off of them. They're purely decorative. So that's why I feel comfortable wiping them with a multi-purpose cleaner, not a big deal. And then I'm going to just light the candle, push the chairs in, make it look nice and cute. I left the tools on the floor because those are for my husband to deal with, and move on to the next room.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
So now we are in the kitchen, and it's kind of just a little bit of everything. I feel like lately I've been staying on top of most things and just letting one thing get away from me, like the dishes, or maybe I get to all the dishes but I never put away the clean dishes, so there's just like overflowing of clean dishes or something. But today it's a little bit of everything. Like I just have a little bit of clean dishes to put away, a little bit of dirty dishes, there's just miscellaneous things all over the counter, there's a toaster, there's a crock pot that need to be put away, miscellaneous random little things. So I'm just putting away the things that are clean. I'm putting away the things on the counter that just need to be put away, and then I'm going to be starting on hand washing the dishes.
You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about.
So now we are just going to be hand washing some dishes. You guys, my dishwasher is still broken, so I'm just using my trusty Dawn antibacterial green apple scented dish soap and going in by hand and washing everything individually. and I'm just using the dishwasher as a drying rack for now. I am definitely getting a new dishwasher before the baby comes. Oh yeah, you can't really tell just yet because I'm wearing really baggy clothes, but I am pregnant, you guys. If this is the first video that you're watching of me, I'm about 31 weeks pregnant at the time I'm posting this. So yes, I am pregnant, so keep that in mind. Also with the cleaning, I cannot do it all in one day anymore. I just do what I can with the energy that I have that day. So keep that in mind for me, for my videos, and for yourself. You do not have to like crazy push yourself. Even if you're not pregnant, you don't have to crazy push yourself. Cleaning is something you can do a little bit every day. And that is what my videos are here for, to get you motivated for the next 18 minutes to do a little bit every day. And that is really the best way, in my opinion, to maintain your home, is just doing a little bit every day, doing what you can on a daily basis. But anyway, I'm just using my favorite Dawn dish soap. I know I don't really talk about the exact cleaning products that I use in every single video, but I will say that my favorite cleaning scent on the planet is green apple scent. I know a lot of people say like, oh, I don't feel like my house is clean until it smells like bleach. I don't feel like my house is clean until it smells like pine sol. For me, I love the green apple scent. Anything apple, green apple, apple orchard, something like that. Sometimes like a prickly pear scent also smells very green apple. I love that stuff. I'll get everything green apple if I could. Candles, wax melts, the whole shebang. Absolutely love it. So I'm using the green apple antibacterial Dawn dish soap to wash my dishes, or rinsing them real good, and then just using my dishwasher, my broken dishwasher, as a drying rack.
When we stayed up all night talking, I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets you. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises.
After all of those dishes are out, I'm gonna rinse down those big chunks of food and start running the garbage disposal. And I'm going to just use that same Dawn dish soap to scrub out my sink. I do kind of switch this up just depending on the time that I have. Sometimes I get out the barkeeper's friend, sometimes I get out the baking soda and vinegar. It's different every day because I just do what I can. Today, I'm just going to give it a little scrub down with some Dawn dish soap and rinse it down, run the garbage disposal to make sure nothing's stuck in there, because definitely some smells can accumulate in that garbage disposal if you're not running it frequently, or making sure at least that there's no food in there whenever you do wash your dishes afterwards. And then I'm going to spray down the entire like outside and inside of the sink with half water, half vinegar. And then I just go ahead and wipe down the outside and I let the inside air dry. This leaves your stainless steel super shiny and spotless. It dries with no streaks and no like water spots or anything like that. And the vinegar can also help with any odors.
Strong as a spell, I'll never tell.
After that, I'm just going to wipe, like the soaps and stuff down and put those back on the edge of the sink, and then wipe down the rest of my counters and my stovetop with a multi-purpose cleaner. I'm using a Method bottle, but this is actually the green apple scented Fabuloso. I'm pretty sure Fabuloso or Ajax, like the concentrated cleaner that you can just get from Walmart or the dollar store, anything like that. And that is the kitchen done. And I also just wiped off the island as well with that same multi-purpose cleaner. So that is the kitchen clean.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything.
I also quickly picked up the living room, just throwing the toys into the toy box and fixing the pillows. And then I vacuumed the entire upstairs, and I have absolutely no idea where those clips went. I must have accidentally deleted them, but as you can see to the left here, I did pick up the toys off of the ground and I vacuumed the upstairs. But don't worry, you're still gonna get some vacuuming motivation because here I am working my way downstairs. So this is how I like to deal with my stairs. I know it looks really awkward, but it's just what works for me. I do not have a handheld vacuum, so I just go ahead and sweep each individual step and just kick the dust pile down, 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 down all the way to the bottom of the stairs. And then I will vacuum that huge pile at the bottom of the stairs. It's just the easiest way for me to get those little steps without having to bend over and lug an entire vacuum up and down the stairs. So here I am just vacuuming that pile, and then I vacuum the little hallway area down here, and then we are going to be working on the playroom. Also, just FYI, this is the same day. I just changed into this black dress because after vacuuming, I don't know why I thought it was going to be a good idea to be in sweatpants and a long sleeve to clean my entire house, but after vacuuming I was so hot and I was sweating so much I had to change. So it is the same day. I just wanted to change into this dress because it was so much lighter and less hot for me to clean in.
Not to turn around, throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me.
And then we are going to be working on the playroom. So some days in the playroom I do, a little bit less. I kind of organize less. I kind of just throw everything to the side so I can vacuum quickly and just leave stuff around. But since we do not spend a lot of weekend time in the playroom, we had a lot going on. We are outside of the house a lot also on the weekends. We just do random stuff on the weekend, whether it's inside the house or outside. And we just don't spend a lot of time down here in the playroom on the weekend. So for me, on a Friday, if I have the energy, it's the perfect time to organize the playroom and put stuff back properly. So this is just me throwing all the toys to one side of the room like a behemoth, and then I'm going to actually go through and organize all of the toys. Like the toy cars, they all go in one box. The toy letter blocks, they all go in one box. All of the sports type of stuff, his golf set, his bowling set, those go into one bin all together. I'm really gonna go through and quickly organize all of that stuff. Make sure all of the puzzle pieces that go together are in the same box, stuff like that. Just taking the time for that today. I don't do that every day, but on a reset, if I have the time and energy, I do like to do that, especially because some days I don't get out as many boxes as others. This week, you can tell I got out 7 different things without putting other things away because it's just one of those weeks. But sometimes I really just get out 1 or 2 boxes, and it's better if it's organized, so then I can just pull out one box and all the puzzle pieces that belong to whatever puzzle's in there is in the one box. There's nothing that's incomplete, so I don't have to pull every single thing out to get one complete toy. Is that making sense? Hopefully it is. So yeah, just organizing the blocks into where they actually belong, puzzle pieces and little games into where, all the pieces are together, and then I'm going to get a good vacuum going down here.
I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose.
So I'm just going to run this vacuum down here, give it a nice thorough vacuum. I vacuum my house basically every single day because we have 2 dogs. I have a toddler that loves to go outside. We have snacks all over the house. There's just always crumbs, always dirt, always dog hair. So if you've watched a lot of my videos before, you've heard me mention this. I vacuum every single day. I'd love to mop every single day. Lately, it's been more like every other day, but I still vacuum every single day. It really drives me nuts to see the dog hair on the floor. So I do vacuum every single day.
Playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was
is going to be everything that I got done today for the house reset. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys me vacuuming upstairs and the living room. It probably would have been a little bit more satisfying, but that's fine. Stuff happens. I have no idea what happened to that clip. But anyway, I hope that this motivated you and helped you. And if you're still cleaning, if you're still have the energy, I have a whole playlist of cleaning videos that you can click on and continue going. Thank you so much for watching. If you are cleaning along with me, I hope it helped. I love cleaning with you guys, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.
Wanna be the one who had to say